how to convert your Gala coins into real money. Now, if you're running a node on Gala games, then you're receiving free coins every day. Let me just quickly go and show. So I go to my node, the distribution information, and you can see that just yesterday I received 1,947 Gala tokens. That's because I'm running two nodes myself, plus I've got a few referrals, so you can see I've got two nodes online now. But anyway, how do you get these Gala coins back into real money? Now, there's two ways you can do this. You either go back to the main menu here and come down to see your treasure chest, because anytime Gala Games award you with bonuses, freebies, NFTs, and Gala coins, they go into your treasure chest first of all. So you can either get to your treasure chest on the main page there, or you can go to your global icon over here. That will give you notifications, and again you've got the big banner at the top here for your treasure chest. So it says tap to collect. So we're going to go to our treasure chest and see what we have in here. Now you can see I've got a few NFTs that have been given to me by Gala, but here's the key thing. I've got 71,000 Gala coins from a distribution reward. I've also got 29,000 from a referral reward. That goes back before. They don't do the referral rewards in Gala tokens anymore, but this is one we're looking at here, 71,190. So we would just tick on that box. That's the one that we want to move to our inventory. So it will go from our treasure chest into our inventory. Now the thing to watch out for here is the gas fee. This is going to cost $9.86 at the moment, and this varies by the minute, by the hour. So you want to make sure that you just, if you don't need to convert your Gala coins, just leave them in your treasure chest for now and they'll be absolutely fine. So I'm not going to add those into my inventory, but that's where you would add them to inventory. Now, once you've got them in inventory, you come up to your inventory on your menu options here. And here we can see I've already got 84,000 Gala coin in my inventory, in my balance. I've also got some Ethereum left in there. I've got some NFTs. But on the Gala inventory, the Gala coins, I click on this and it takes me through to this page. And here I can either get Gala or send Gala. So if I click on send Gala, then I can send a certain amount. So I might want to send 84,000 of those, and it says to an address. So what I want is another Gala account to send those to that address. Now I use Binance. Now that Gala is on Binance, you can send your Gala to a Binance Gala account. So open up an account with Binance, that's totally free. There's also Gate.io. Let me just go back. If we go to coinmarketcap.com, let's go to Gala, and you can see on Gala there is a market tab here. So if you click on market, you can see all the places where you can exchange Gala. So Binance there, Gate.io, KuCoin, never used myself, Uniswap I've never used, but you can do that there. So there's quite a few places now you can exchange your Gala coin for another cryptocurrency. Once you've got it in that other cryptocurrency, you can convert it back to whichever currency you want. So that's how you do it. So you basically move it from your treasure chest into inventory, and then from the inventory you can send it to another Gala address, Gala wallet, and then once it's in that Gala wallet, you can then exchange that back to real money.